If I had to make $500 per day moving into 2025, here is exactly what I would do. And I have confidence in this plan because this is the same business model that I personally use to make a very nice daily profit online, and also the same model that I've shown hundreds of others who've been able to see amazing results as well. And don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you some course or high-ticket coaching program. I actually have nothing to sell you. But if you do like this business model I'm about to show you in this video, I will hook you up with my free step-by-step course, all my templates, scripts, free weekly live coaching with myself, 100% for free. All I ask is you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know that you want that, and I'll share with you the private link to unlock everything for free. And the reason why I'm willing to do that is because I've been where you are, feeling overworked, feeling stressed out of my mind, feeling like I just can't make ends meet, trying to figure out the solution to actually finally making it online. And so I want to be able to be there to help you out and give you what I wish I had when I first started. So if you're tired of trying side hustles that just don't work, I've got you covered because this plan is simple, it's proven, and it works. Okay, so now that you smash the like button and dropped a comment down below so you can get all the freebies, let me break down exactly what this business model is. So this business model is called SaaS, or software as a service. So now we're selling software as a service as opposed to your time as a service. So think about Netflix. You're paying for software or access to content that you pay every single month, so they're able to generate monthly recurring revenue. But the nice thing for Netflix is even if they bring on 100 people, 1,000, or even 1,000,000 people, the amount of work for fulfillment doesn't really increase. So the cool thing about this whole software as a service model is you're able to create monthly recurring income. It's leverage fulfillment, just like I explained with the Netflix model. It has high profit margins because to get one person or 100 or thousands of people, it literally is going to cost you the same amount. And there are no revenue splits, so this is not some type of affiliate model or Amazon FBA where a large part of your profit margin is actually going towards Amazon. It's an easier sales process, and there's no shipping, warehousing, or any of that mess that you have to deal with. There's no product creation because the product is already pre-built, pre-created for you. And I'm going to show you guys that here in just a second. So even if you have no tech skills, you don't know how to code, I don't know how to code, but I'm going to show you how to get this set up in a matter of a few minutes, even if you are a total beginner. And on top of that, there is no trial and error because this software has already been proven and the exact features have been proven at the exact price points that I'm going to share with you on today's video. So now that you can see this massive upside, let me jump in and show you guys exactly how we're going to go through and make this happen. What we're going to do here is we're going to take a software that's already pre-built, pre-coded, and we're just going to white label it, meaning that we put our own logo, connect our own domain up here, and connect our own payment processor so that you can keep 100% of your payments, and you can set whatever price points that you want right here. Now, this software in particular is perfect for selling to small local business owners. So what we're going to do is we're going to help them with their marketing and getting more clients. And if you're looking at this and thinking, well, Jason, I don't know how to market, I don't know how to get more clients. Well, that is what my free step-by-step course is for, with the templates, the scripts, everything from A to Z, to knowing what to say on the sales call, plus how to actually set up a client to get them results so they'll continue to pay you on a monthly ongoing basis. And on top of that, inside of that free course, I'll also hook you up with this professionally designed, pre-built website that you can just come in here, clone it, put in your own logo, connect your own domain. And if you're wondering like what price point should I charge, what should I offer for those different price points, I've already got all that set up for you as well. If we just click on pricing right here, we have all the different pricing plans, plus what services you would want to offer to these small local business owners. And when I say small local business owners, we're talking any type of small local business. A plumber, an electrician, a dentist, orthodontist, massage therapist, a restaurant owner, a gym owner. It doesn't really matter because all of these simple services will benefit these business owners greatly. So now that we've gone through and cloned this exact website, and we've gone over here and we've cloned this exact software and set all of our different price points, I just want to give you a sneak peek at some of the different things that this software can do, because this software can literally do everything that a small business owner might need. So if we come up here and click on this is going to be able to kick us into what would be one of the client accounts. So like, for example, this would be an account where you would manage your entire business, your website, your emails, your contacts, everything. And then let's just say for this example, this is a client. This is obviously a demo account, but let's say this is a massage therapist. So we come over here, we click on this, and it's going to kick us into their account where we can give them access, but then we also can have access to go through and help them and manage anything if they need help. And remember, we are selling software as a service. So we are setting them up with simple marketing systems and solutions that we set up once. They take about 10 to 15 minutes to go through and set up, but they're going to continually add value on a monthly ongoing basis. Think about Netflix. You sign up once, you go through and select what your interests are, get your account set up the right way. But then from there on out, Netflix will just suggest different TV shows and movies based on your past viewing and based on your past interests. So that's some of the simple things that we're going to do for our clients as well. And we have this cool launch pad over here where it's going to take us step by step to help us get everything set up for this business. Now, one thing that every business owner needs, no matter what type of business they're in, is a website. So if we come over here and click on websites and click up here on websites, what we can do is we can create a new website and select from thousands of pre-built templates that are already done, and all we have to do is customize a bit of personal information like the phone number, the email address, maybe the physical address, what hours they're open, and other than that, the website template is 100% done for the business owner. So if you have a business that doesn't have a website, you can go through and create a free website for them, and then they will continue to pay you on a monthly ongoing basis for access to that website. Or if they already have a website, a lot of business owners don't have that great of looking websites. So you can go through and create from these templates a beautifully designed, professionally designed new website for the business. So for this example, let's come down here and let's maybe choose the health and wellness space. And it's going to pop up all these different websites. We've got a few yoga ones, more like a gym. So let's just choose this very first one right here. We select that. It gives us a little bit of a preview of what this looks like. This looks great, so I'm just going to click on continue. And what it's doing now is just automatically creating the website template. It's importing into the account so we can go through and customize everything for the small business owner. So what this did was it kicked us right into the website builder. So if we come up here, if we want to switch out any of the information, we can just say 888-555-1234. If we don't like the color, we want to change that out, I'm just going to move my head really quick right here. We'll come over to this little section and we'll say we want the color to be white. And it's super easy to go through and customize this entire website to the business owner. However, you can see a lot of this is already done with the pictures, with everything that you'll need for a really nice looking website. And then from here, all we're gonna do is click on save. And then once we're ready, we can go through and click publish so it's ready to go for the business owner. And then one thing that I like to do is if you pull up this website, typical websites will convert less than 1% of people visiting the website into actual leads. And most businesses, they want leads, they want prospects, they want people interested, and they want their contact information so they can follow up with them. So one simple thing that I like to do for all these small businesses, which this pre-built software makes it so easy to go through and make this happen, is we're just gonna click over here on settings, and we're gonna scroll down, and we're just going to toggle on this chat widget. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is here in just a second. So if we toggle that on and click save, we're now going to pull this website back up, and it's going to add a little chat widget down in the bottom right-hand corner. When someone's coming to this website, they're going to be able to go through and chat with the business owner and ask any questions right here, which this increases the conversion rate of a website dramatically so the business owner is able to get more leads and actually communicate with them via text. And then one other simple thing that I like to do that is so cool, leveraging AI to communicate and connect with anyone that is reaching out to the small business owner, is turn on a simple service. We'll just come over here and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, called Conversation AI. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have this on autopilot. And this is going to be the supported channels. We've got SMS, Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat. So let me explain to you what this is. So what this is if somebody texts into the business owner, or they send an Instagram DM, a Facebook DM, or reaches out on that chat widget or even a live chat, we're able to go through and have an AI chatbot respond to every single one of the questions that the person is asking. And you might be thinking, well, how does the AI bot know exactly how to respond? And how do they know what the right answers are? Well, the cool thing about this is we come over here to this bot training, and all we do is we just take this URL, and obviously this is just a demo URL for this video, but we would just copy that and we would paste it right in here, and we would click on Get Data. And now what it's doing is fetching all the pages, it's scanning every page in the entire website, it's seeing what services they offer, it shows what hours they're open, and all the other different information about the business. So now the AI bot can be fully trained on how the business is run. And in my experience, typically most small local business owners only have about 5 to 6 questions that they get asked all the time, over and over again. So we can go through and we can add these frequently asked questions right here and type in the question and then type in the answer for the business owner. And then once that's all done, we come over here to the bot trial and we ask, we'll just hit reset conversation right here. We just ask a question. So we'd say, what services do you offer? Now, I didn't let it scan the entire website because it normally takes about a minute or two, but this is a demo account, so this is from another website that we went in and scanned, and so this was a plumbing website. And so if we like the answer, we just give it a thumbs up, but if it's not the right answer, we just give it a thumbs down, and we can correct the answer and say train bot. And so we can go through, and once we've scanned the entire website, added the frequently asked questions, we can go and train this or test it out and see if it's giving the right answers that we want. And then on top of that, a lot of business owners like people just be directed to book an appointment on their calendar so they can set up an appointment and talk with that person and let them know about their services. So what we can do here is add an appointment booking app. We just click enable and we select a calendar right there and say, hey, when someone reaches out to this AI bot via text, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, or the live chat widget, I just want AI to ask a few questions, understand the situation, but then send them to book an appointment on the calendar right here. And the cool thing about this software, guys, is there are so many other features that this offers. Literally anything that would help you with marketing and sales for a small business, this software can do. But I usually like to just focus on like 1 or 2 very simple things that are really going to move the needle for a business owner, like a website, like a little chat widget, and this conversation AI bot to help them book more appointments on their calendar. And I like those things as well because they're a one-time setup, takes about 10 to 15 minutes to set up once, but they're going to continually add value to the small business owner month in and month out. So they're going to continue to want to pay you. And then from there, if you want to go and add other additional services on top of that, you can charge a higher price point and upsell that one customer so that you can ultimately make more money from that one client. So I hope you can see how this business model right here is completely taking over the internet right now. It's because it allows you to create monthly recurring revenue plus some internal upsells without needing to know how to create a product, any marketing experience, no crazy tech skills, and it's actually free to get started because like I said, I'm not trying to sell you a course. I'm not trying to sell you some high-ticket coaching program. I actually give you all of my courses, templates, scripts, everything 100% for free. And then on top of that, inside my free course, this software that you can go through and white label, there's normally a 14-day free trial to white label it. However, I am friends with the co-founders of this company, so I was able to negotiate a 30-day extended free trial for you when you go in and get started with the link to the software inside of the free course. And not only did I hook you guys up with a 30-day extended free trial, but I also got them to agree to have a member of their team jump on a live boot camp with you to be able to help you get your business set up entirely from A to Z in about 45 minutes. Then after the business is set up, you can even jump on a one-on-one kickoff call to make sure that the business is set up the right way. So you literally have all the tools that you need to get started right in front of you. And it's 100% for free. And even if you are a total beginner, this is the perfect business model to jump in and get started so you can make monthly recurring revenue and don't have to start over at zero at the beginning of every single month. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead, smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and drop a comment down below, and I'll hook you up with that private link with the free course, the templates, the scripts, and the extended 30-day free trial to the software, everything that you need to get a massive jump start with this new business. So with that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. A quick shout out to our sponsor, AIMessageBots.com. You can now use AI bot automation to automatically book more appointments for your business. So go to AIMessageBots.com right now to learn more and start your free trial. A quick shout out to our sponsor, LaunchMySoftware.com. You can sell custom AI software to small business owners who already want to buy, and you can keep 100% of the profits. Go to LaunchMySoftware.com right now to learn more and start your extended 30-day free trial.